I have to say, as far as insurance goes, insurance agents, or anything to do with the insurance industry, I have not come across anything like this in my entire life. Most places I've always been to, this is what we offer, this is it, and here's the premium, and have a nice day, more or less. But for the most part, when I came to visit with Gary, I was very pleased with the fact that I was made very comfortable, very relaxed, and the fact that he allowed me to ask the questions of what I was looking for. And with that, he designed a few options, which in the past I had not had that. Whether it would have been any type of insurance, this particular insurance that I was looking for has many options, many possibilities from all sorts of companies. And here at Owen, they boil them down to allow me to pick a few that I thought would work for me, and then they dug a little bit farther with that. And I was really surprised at the fact that they were willing to spend that much time with one person to come up with a plan that would suit me the best. Very pleased with that, and I must say, a whole different experience that I've not experienced like this before with this company. This is great. It was great coming here. I rate Owen's Insurance Group 11 out of 10. Yes, I have recommended him to a few people, and I carried 2 of his cards in my pocket as a spare. And when the opportunity has arose, yes, I have passed them out. Yes, to some family members, and also to a coworker. Whether or not they took my advice, that's their decision, but I do know if they ever ask me a question about it, I can rest assured that I feel very comfortable have them ask me a question that I can answer with a positive for the company and for Owen Insurance. I do believe that those opportunities will continue to happen to me, and when they do, I'll promote them. To be personable, to look at me not as a problem, but as a way to find a solution to help me. With some of my disabilities, I've come across it where others turn their head the other way and they look and say, we don't need to deal with that person. When I met here with the first representative I met here, she said, not a problem. We will help you get through and find the right thing for you. And they did. And that's all I can say about it, is that the best thing I can say is their personable experience. The experience I had was very personable. Spoke with the owner himself several times, and not just with the representatives. And that to me was also meaningful. Try doing that with some of the other corporate companies, large corporate companies, and it's not going to happen. So I feel like for a small hometown company, this is the place to go. I hope he can keep doing this as long as I live. Hopefully he'll outlive me so that he can keep finding what I need for insurance. I'm very appreciative of that, and I believe that the short time that I've known him, I have to say I feel very comfortable with allowing him to find me what I'm looking for. My first time I listened to Gary was on his radio shows on WPSL. And they started to give me some ideas about maybe I could make some improvements to what I already have for my insurances. And he would talk about different things in the industry, and some of the things that I would pull out from that was close to me, important to me. I used and wrote notes and started to do some research on my own and say, well, this is a lot to this. And eventually I said, no, there's only one way to do this. Go talk to him direct. And that's what I did.